Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a portfolio website using Squarespace. So let's get started. Firstly you need to just type Squarespace in Google. Okay, now click on the link and open in a new tab. You can create your portfolio website for any businesses or service that you provide. So firstly you need to open an Squarespace account. After opening the account, you just have to click on the get started. Here you can find numerous templates to make a better choice. You can select any one of these templates and start customizing your website. So you have to create your portfolio website. So click on just portfolio and choose the category you want to. I choose photography. Now scroll down and view all the templates available. There are various templates available. You can choose whatever you think best. I like this template. After selecting the template, just click on preview. Now view the demo site in new link. Yes, it is good. Now if you think it is right, then click on the start with design. Choose your title, anything you want to. I just keep my Squarespace site, my portfolio. Now click on continue, click on next and get started. Okay guys, here is the editor of our website. Here you can change the website element and arrange your website accordingly. On the left side menu you can see various options available, like you can create or add your pages or delete your pages by click on pages. You can create design, click on design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, asset library, analytics, profile settings, all etc. Now after it you know how to edit your website. So firstly you need to click on edit. Okay, here you can see all the options and section available. Now firstly you have to edit your site header. So click on the edit site header and change your logo. So you can upload it from your gallery. Click on upload file and select from your gallery. Okay, the logo looks very small. You can adjust the height accordingly. I need to just want to enhance my logo. You can also set the mobile logo size accordingly. Okay, great. After putting the logo, you can click on elements. Now here is the social links option. You can edit your social links available. Here you can add your Instagram link, Twitter link, Facebook link, LinkedIn link, etc. You can need to copy the URL and paste in here. Okay, great. Now you can also change the style of the header. You can change the theme, you can change the color of the header. Various options available. I think dark is looking good. Okay, That is how you can edit your header section. Now go to our main section. Now here you can change your text, you can change your photo image available by clicking on this. You can also edit your image accordingly by overlay the images. You can also change your shape accordingly. I think circular shape is looking very good. Now you can also change your section to edit your section and change the background color. Here is various options available. You can change it dark, light, anything you want to. I think this color also looking very nice. After changing the color, now edit your footer. You can just click on edit footer and edit your footer. Now you can click on this. You can also change your size, color of the footer text. I don't want, so I just only click on the background. You can also edit section and change the alignment of our text. I think this is perfect. Now you can also change the color of our footer. I think light gray color is good. Now you can also change your email address link. There's various options available. You can select any one. You can change the title, you want description, anything you want. After editing the site, you just have to click on done and click on save. Okay. Now you can preview your website. If you want to edit your pages, you just click on pages. After you just click on the page you want to delete. I think I have to, for example, we will delete the contact page. Click on the delete option and click on confirm. Here by clicking on plus sign you can add new page accordingly. You can add a blank page, page layout, scheduling, blogs, store, portfolio, events and videos. Anything you want to add. I will just add blank page and I will name it my experience. And drag to bottom of the page. You can also add your portfolio page accordingly. Here is the template available. You can select any one, you depend upon you. I select here and create my gallery. Here in this option you can upload your work detail accordingly. You can also create a design in your website. You can also add a browser icon, anything you want to add here. After customizing it, you can preview your website by clicking this arrow. So this is it guys. In this way you can create your portfolio website very easily by using Squarespace. Thank you.